Hello guys, welcome back to our another video on our coding with the YouTube channel. So today in this video we shall learn that how we can easily create a form using HTML. So we shall create a form. The form may be a login form or sign up form or register form. So that can be anything. Today we are going to make a complete form using HTML. So let's get started our today's video. So now here in this HTML file we have already taken our basic tags. Now we shall change our title here. So this is our title, and now in this body tag we shall create our form, and if we write anything in the body tag, so that will display it in our browser. So now to create a form, first of all we need to take form tag. So to create a form, first of all we need to take form tag. Now in this form tag, if we check uh, a form on Google, so we shall see that there are a lot of input field to input the form. So now we shall take here some input. So to take input field, we are going to use input tag. So here is input type. So this type depend on your input field. So here is default text. It will used for writing text. If we change it to password, so it will used for writing password. So now if we refresh our browser, so there is our input field. So now if we write anything here, you can see that will display it like a text. Now if we change this into password, so then it will display it as a password. Now we shall create a register form to show you that how to create a complete form using HTML very easily. So here I'm going to type it as text. Now take another input field and give it as password, and here we shall create another which is to file, and it will use for uploading file from our this PC. So this is the button. If we click here, it will use for taking files from our this PC. So you can see these all are inline block level element, that's why these all are displaying besidely. Now if we want to bring this into the next line, so we have to use break tag. Now if we refresh, so you can see this is our form. Now who will visit our this website, they must should be understand that what are going to write here. So now we can not understand that what you will write here, these are not specified. So if you want to specify that what will be written here, so we can use a placeholder that will hold the place and will display a text, and it will inform the visitors that what are going to write here. So suppose I am going to write a name, and if we refresh, so it will hold the place to inform the visitors that what are going to write in the first input field. So now like this I can use placeholder in the next, and here password. So now it will display in the second field like this placeholder email, and this is our email, and source file, it is informing us automatically that what is going to do here. So if we click on source file, so it is opening our this PC to source a file. So this is our form. Now if we want to if we don't want to hold any place, so we can cut this, and now here you can see there is no placeholder. Now we shall use label. So label. So now in this for tag, to input anything in the for attribute, we are going to use id in input field, id name. So the id we shall use in for. So take another label and create a id. Now just paste this id into for, so it will used for password input field. Take another label and create a id email and give it into for. So now if we refresh our browser, so you will see nothing because we haven't written anything into the label. So write name, save and refresh this, so you will see something like this. Here is, if we click on this name text, so it will active. Why this is being active when we are clicking on this text? Because we have created a id, and the id name we have specified in the for. So this label will work for this input type email, because here the id we have pasted into the for tag. So whatever we write in, this is the our id password, and we have written this into this for tag, and this level will work for this password input field. So that's why this text are working for this input field. What, whenever we clicking on this, and the input field is being active. So this was our today's video, that how to create a complete form using html only. And after this video, when we shall learn css, we shall learn that how to design this. So this video is for from here. If you are new in our channel, so please subscribe our teeny coding channel to get more coding videos every day.